If you are a traveler, you need the perfect carry-on luggage that fits your needs and can withstand hundreds of flights. To help with this, we've researched and selected the best options for you. For more information or different colors on each luggage, we listed all the links in the description below. So let's start. The first on our list is a carry-on luggage from Level 8. We chose this Level 8 luggage because of its thoughtfully designed features for extra packing capacity. This carry-on is perfect for travelers who need a little more room without compromising on convenience and durability. One of the standout features is the front laptop compartment, which allows you to safely store and easily access electronics. This compartment is ideal for a 15.6-inch laptop or a 9.7-inch iPad, keeping them separate from your clothing. It's especially useful for quick access to your passport, tickets, or other important papers during your trip. The luggage is lightweight yet sturdy, made of quality materials with a 3-layer micro-diamond textured surface, providing outstanding durability. It weighs 9 pounds, making it perfect for short business trips. The packing capacity ranges from 36 to 42 liters, giving you plenty of space for your essentials. For mobility, the Level 8 Grace Expandable features 8 rubber-covered 360-degree spinner wheels and an ergonomic aluminum telescoping handle, ensuring smooth and effortless movement through crowded airports or busy streets. Inside, you'll find a spacious interior with cross straps and dividers for easy packing, along with multiple pockets to keep your belongings organized. The split case design and metal corner protections add to its durability, while the built-in TSA combination zipper lock ensures your items are secure. Overall, the Level 8 Grace Expandable carry-on luggage combines practicality, durability, and thoughtful design, making it a great choice for any traveler. The second on our list is a carry-on luggage from Bagsmart. This Bagsmart hard-sided carry-on stands out due to its remarkable strength, resilience, and lightness. This luggage offers rigid protection for your belongings, ensuring they arrive in great condition regardless of how roughly it's handled during travel. Crafted from polycarbonate, it has been rigorously tested to withstand scratches and dents, maintaining its great look trip after trip. The unique design with waves and arrow icons makes it easy to spot on the luggage carousel. For maneuverability, this model features 360-degree spinner dual wheels that roll smoothly over various surfaces, including carpet, rough terrain, and even gravel. The extension handle, made from durable aluminum, is molded for comfort and can be adjusted to 4 different heights. Additionally, the TSA-approved combination lock ensures your belongings stay safe and secure, while still allowing easy access for security checks. This carry-on is airline-approved and fits in the overhead bins of most major domestic airlines. It's lightweight, making it easy to handle and maximizing your weight allowance. With a capacity of 35 liters and a weight of 6.4 pounds, it's suitable for 3 to 5 day trips. Whether you're traveling by airplane, train, or car. The interior is designed for smart organization, featuring 4 storage spaces. It includes 2 main compartments with compression pads and cross straps to keep clothes in place, a compression panel with a zipped mesh pocket for essentials, and a built-in small pocket for smaller items. Soft silicone handles on the top and side provide comfortable carrying options. Overall, this hard-sided carry-on combines durability, ease of use, and smart design, making it a reliable choice for any traveler. The third on our list is a carry-on luggage from Samsonite. We selected this 21-inch spinner luggage because it maximizes your packing power while meeting most carry-on size restrictions for domestic travel. Designed for travelers looking to stay light, this luggage offers a balance of durability and functionality. One of the key features is its ultra-light yet ultra-strong shell, which can withstand the rigors of modern travel. Despite its robust build, the luggage remains easy to handle, weighing in at just 6.5 pounds. The capacity of 34 liters is suitable for a few days' worth of essentials, making it perfect for short trips. The Samsonite carry-on is equipped with 4 multi-directional double spinner wheels, allowing for 360-degree upright rolling. This design ensures that there is no weight on your arm or shoulder, making it easy to maneuver through busy airports and narrow airplane aisles. The recessed TSA combination lock provides added security for your belongings, and the case can expand to offer extra packing capacity when needed. Additionally, this luggage comes with a 10-year limited warranty, a testament to its quality and durability. Samsonite rigorously tests its products to meet stringent standards, ensuring that this bag can handle the demands of frequent travel. Inside, the luggage is well organized, with thoughtful compartments and straps to keep your items secure and in place during transit. The overall design prioritizes both style and functionality, making it a reliable and stylish companion for any trip. In summary, the Samsonite 21-inch spinner luggage offers a combination of lightness, strength, and smart design, making it an excellent choice for travelers who need a dependable carry-on. The fourth one is another carry-on luggage from Level 8. This carry-on stands out because it combines lightweight construction and a hard shell. Made from a 3-layer polycarbonate hard shell, it offers high strength and sturdiness, providing both elasticity and resiliency. The micro-diamond textured design helps minimize unwanted marks during travel, ensuring the suitcase maintains its sleek appearance. Security is a key feature with the built-in TSA code lock and smooth zippers, which comply with most domestic and international airline regulations. This ensures that your belongings are safe and secure, with easy access when needed. Traveling with this suitcase is effortless, thanks to its 8 silent universal spinner wheels and an aluminum telescoping ergonomic handle with 4 adjustable levels. The top and side easy grab handles, along with bumper feet on the side, make handling and protecting the case simple and convenient. Inside, the Level 8 carry-on offers a spacious packing interior with a split case design. It features 2 roomy, fully lined compartments and a zipper mesh pocket, keeping items neatly organized and easy to access. With a packing capacity of 40 liters, it's perfect for trips ranging from 1 to 4 days. Weighing in at 7.7 pounds, this suitcase is light enough to handle easily yet durable enough to withstand the rigors of travel. Additionally, it comes with a 2-year warranty, reflecting Level 8's commitment to quality and durability. If any issues arise, their customer service is ready to assist. In summary, this carry-on luggage combines robust design, security features, and ease of use, making it a top choice for frequent travelers. The last one is a carry-on luggage from Travel Pro. This carry-on made our list because it combines practicality and advanced features, complying with the carry-on size restrictions of nearly all major domestic airlines. It offers precise control and effortless rolling, thanks to the Precision Glide system, which includes a contour grip, power scope light handle, and 8 MagnaTrack self-aligning spinner wheels. A standout feature is the external USB A and C ports with fast charge capabilities, allowing you to power your electronics on the go. The external battery pocket, hidden inside the expansion feature, ensures easy access and FAA compliance, although the power bank is not included. For added security, the built-in TSA lock allows authorities to unlock and lock the suitcase safely when needed. The ultra-strong 100% polycarbonate hard shell, coupled with aluminum corner guards, provides excellent protection for your contents. The stylish, textured finish helps reduce the visibility of scuffs or scratches, while genuine leather trim on the front adds a touch of sophistication. Inside, the Travel Pro carry-on features zippered divider panels to keep your belongings organized, separated, and secured. An interior water-resistant pocket adds packing versatility for damp items or toiletries. With a capacity of 39 liters and a weight of 7.9 pounds, it's designed to handle the rigors of travel while remaining lightweight and easy to manage. Additional features include the patented PowerScope light aluminum extension handle, which minimizes wobble and has 4 adjustable stops to suit users of different heights. The luggage also comes with a limited lifetime coverage plus a trusted companion promise, covering repair costs for damage caused by airlines or other common carriers for the first 5 years after registration. And that ends our list of the best carry-on luggage. We hope this guide helps you find the right one for your travels. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.